This stuff is just fun to use. Does this cleaning gel actually remove dust efficiently? Stay to the end of the video to see how I officially score it with my 5-star scoring system. Okay, let's get into the details on this cleaning gel. It is a dust cleaning gel. The brand is Color Coral. Amazon has it at 4 stars with over 49,000 reviews, and is a #1 bestseller. It goes for under $10 at the time of making this video. There is roughly 5 ounces of cleaning gel. As far as I can tell, there's only 2 color options. Yellow like this one, that's supposed to be scented with a lemon scent, and blue that has a lavender scent to it. It's designed to remove dust from small, hard to get to nooks and crannies, like computer keyboards, TV remote controllers, camera gear, the AC vents in your car, and those hard to clean buttons on the dash of your car. I think you get the idea. It's made of a biodegradable gel, so it's not harmful to the environment. Once rolled into a ball, it doesn't stick to clean, dry hands, so it's easy to use. It's reusable until it gets really dark with dirt and everything like that, and at that point, you're going to need to buy another one. Before I go through my 5-star ranking and see how it officially scores, if you're finding value to this video, please do me a favor. I want to go over my 5-star scoring system and how it works. There's 5 different categories, and in each category you have a possibility of getting a full star, a half star, or no stars. In the end, I tally it up and I give you my final result. Number 1, ease of use. I find this product easy to use. It's easy to lay down onto a keyboard in sections and then just give it a moment and then pull it off. And continue to go around a keyboard like that. It's easy to use on a dashboard as well. Same thing. Push it on, give it a second, pull it off. It's easy to use in AC vents as well. Same thing. Push it in and pull it off. You just have to roll it into a ball, then stick it on the surface you're trying to clean and pull it off. Number 2, effectiveness. I find this product very effective at its goal, which is to remove dust in weird little tiny nooks and crannies. Number 3, features. Doesn't have a lot of features, but what it does have, the color and the scent is decent, and it seems to stick together pretty well, and then you can store it back away in its little cup. Number 4, quality. Quality of the product? I think it's decent for what it is. And the cup it comes in is okay as well. Number 5, price and value. For what you spend on this, I think it's okay. And it's a decent value. Not too expensive for what it is. Okay, I've tallied up all the stars. Let's see how it officially scored. Would I recommend this product to a friend or family member or purchase it again? Yeah, I totally would.
Nice.